This is my first 2023 young babies off of MKI 345, and that's the Leo Herman hand. So again, I love this setup. Very low maintenance. All the droppings pretty much falls right through underneath the loft or underneath the sections, and then I just keep turning it and use it for fertilizer or soil. These are my late hatches. Again, I just go with a wire brush and scrape the bottom when I need to. More late hatches. I don't know what color is this, but if you guys could help me. That's from this blue bar hand, Kauai return, and this cock. The only return for our young birds 2022 from Maui. So I paired it out with that one. So that's these two late hatches. This grazer is a Leo Herman, paired up with this 7442. Some came back from Kauai, and this is the late hatches. One grizzle and one blue bar. And then I just completed my last 4 sections for my breeding 2023. All I need to do is add the hinges and put up that board for their nesting. Again, I have 12 sections now total, all for breeding, individual breeding. 24 pairs, no, 12 pairs, 24 birds. Alright, keep you guys updated as far as my breeding goes for 2023 young birds. Aloha from 808 Sunrise Loft, the loft to build.